You might think it's a James Bond movie, but oh no, it is a local duck.
Welcome to Travels Uncorked. I'm Eric, and we are sharing the world of wine with you.
We are in beautiful Anderson Valley in Mendocino County. So this morning we woke up in Manchester on the coast, probably about an hour from here, and took the coast up through the fog, which was amazing to see all the fog. You can hardly see the road, and drove up the one to California 128, then drove inland where we will be doing some wine taste. So now it's time to go taste some good Mendocino County wine.
Generally, this is Pinot Noir and Chardonnay country that we're in right now, because the Navarro River, which comes on from the coast, we follow that in on the 128. That brings actually the fog with it, and it keeps the grapes when they're on the vines really cool, and allows them to have these thin-skinned grapes like Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, allows them to flourish in an area like this. They can't even have Cabernet and some thicker skinned grapes like that because it actually doesn't get hot enough for them here.
Vineyard here at Goldeneye Winery in Philo, California. It's in the Anderson Valley. Goldeneye, which is part of the Duckhorn family wines, is known for their Pinots. You might think it's a James Bond movie, but oh no, it is a local duck. So one thing that we learned today is that Duckhorn, all of their family brands is named after things about a duck. So I'm sure you've heard of Duckhorn, Paraduck, Migration. To top it off, oh, of course, they have a Pinot Noir Rosé and a Pinot Noir sparkling wine. You really got to taste an essence of the Anderson Valley. It makes for a perfect day of tasting wine.
So the tasting room is behind me where we just had our tasting, and we had a lovely flight of different Pinot Noirs from not only their estate here, but other pocket vineyards that they own throughout the area. So it was really nice to try the Pinot from throughout the Anderson Valley area and really get an essence of the different types of things that they have here as far as the Mendocino County fruit and this specific AVA where we're at. They have 57 acres planted here of Pinot Noir, and there's just one little acre of Gewurztraminer, which the original owner of this vineyard planted that because apparently they lost a bet. Didn't hear what bet that they lost, but they did follow through with them losing the bet, and they planted that acre of Gewurztraminer, which they still put to bottle and offer to their wine club members. They have so many different Pinot Noirs to choose from. They also have satellite vineyards as well, which give them a lot of chances to showcase different Pinot Noirs. And so what we did is we actually tried stuff that's here from the estate, but then we also were able to try blends, including one that was called 10 Degrees. And that's taking Pinot Noir from the Confluence Vineyard where we're standing right now, and it's a blend between the fruit from this vineyard as well as fruit from a vineyard that they have that's closer to the coast, where it's 10 degrees cooler on average than here. Trying that with a little bit warmer weather here, with a little bit more of the cooler weather Pinot Noir there, gave the Pinot a really nice round flavor, gave it a little smokiness, along with that bright fruit that people really like with Pinot Noir. Pretty interesting stuff. So we're here in the Pinot Noir vineyards during a fun time where it's after veraison, but we're here before harvest. Veraison is the term that refers to when the color of the grape starts to come in. So when we're looking through, a lot of these grape clusters are very purple, but there's still a little bit of green left. So once they finish turning purple through veraison, then you get ready to start having that concentration that really centers in the fruit, which is what really gives you the flavor inside your wine. So it's cool to see here a lot of grapes on the vine this time of year. People are getting really excited about this year's harvest.